When the snow starts to fall, travelers on Missouri's highway system are used to seeing MoDOT's big yellow trucks take to the roads to combat whatever Mother Nature may bring. But did you know that fight starts months earlier, long before that first snowflake drops from the sky? Planning for winter starts in the spring. Our maintenance facilities have the capacity to store more than 250,000 tons of salt. Material is ordered well in advance, while demand is low, to save taxpayers money and ensure plenty of material is on hand to fight whatever comes our way. Winter operations is a huge expense for MoDOT, averaging $45 million a year. In the fall, a winter ops drill is held to ensure employees are trained, safety measures are practiced, and equipment is ready when the inevitable snowfall begins. Training cannot be complete until employees are observed actually plowing snow. Year-round, MoDOT actively participates in nationwide cooperative programs, sharing information with most other state transportation departments to drive improvement in winter roadway maintenance. Innovations, such as the PLOW that started in Missouri, increase operating efficiency and save taxpayers money by using less equipment and manpower while maintaining safety during winter weather operations. Similar innovations and best practices are shared and adopted from other DOTs, ensuring the most up-to-date snow fighting techniques are being used. MoDOT utilizes a fleet of over 1,500 trucks and more than 3,000 employees dispatched from over 170 buildings throughout the state to service more than 34,000 miles of road. In an average season, our trucks will cover more than 5 million miles during winter operations. That's the equivalent of circling the Earth more than 200 times. It takes on average 2.5 hours for one truck to make a complete cycle through its snow route, though it might take longer in rush hour traffic. Though we make every effort to keep up, in times of heavy snowfall, roads can become covered between passes. In addition to salt, we use a variety of materials that include calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, beet juice, and abrasives. The combination of treatments helps MoDOT limit the impact to the environment and reduce damage to roadways and vehicles. Not all chemicals work under all conditions. Temperatures and precipitation types will dictate what treatments are used in any given weather event. MoDOT actively monitors weather throughout the state. The National Weather Service has been a strong partner of MoDOT and provides the general forecast, but we also employ a private service for bridge and pavement forecasts. There are also several remote pavement sensors located on interstates throughout the state. These allow our maintenance crews to keep on top of developing road conditions. Every road is important to the driver who uses it, but with typically only one maintenance building in each county, we have established a plowing order, setting priorities for which roads are cleared first. Major high-traffic roads are the highest priority. Our trucks are on the road before, during, and after the storm. Before the snow, we can treat roads with a variety of chemicals designed to limit ice and snow buildup on the road. But treating ahead of the storm is not a quick fix. Any number of conditions, such as extreme low temperatures and rain, can limit the effectiveness of chemicals and solutions or simply wash them away before the snow begins. As our trucks take to the roads during a winter event, we're trying hard to keep ahead of the accumulation. It's like shoveling your driveway in a snowstorm. The sky is dropping twice as much snow in your wake as you're able to successfully remove. Our real progress begins when the snow event has ended and we're able to treat and clear roads and keep them that way. In a statewide snow event, MoDOT activates our Emergency Operations Center, or EOC, to respond to rapidly changing situations and utilize crews where they are needed most. MoDOT partners with the Missouri State Highway Patrol, the Missouri State Emergency Management Agency, and the Governor's Office to coordinate the best responses to address the storm. The EOC remains activated, communicating real-time updates to the traveling public until the situation has passed and roads return to normal. Planning, training, and frequent drills allow our crews to tackle the toughest winter event until something goes wrong. Breakdowns, jackknives, and just plain not driving for conditions can result in roads being disrupted for everyone. Remember, when you're stuck, we're stuck. The absolute best recourse for motorists when winter weather hits is to stay home and postpone travel if possible. It's a shared responsibility between MoDOT and the driver to ensure the safety of travel in hazardous conditions. We understand that there are those who need to go out during a winter event. We ask that if you need to travel, please plan accordingly. Every winter event is different, but the one thing they all have in common is that you can't expect to drive like you would on a clear day. If you absolutely have to be on the road, slow down. Expect to take at least twice as long getting where you're going. Plan ahead and consult the MoDOT Traveler Information Map or call our 24-hour customer service line at 1-888-ASK-MoDOT for road conditions all across the state. Never assume that just because the roads are clear where you are, that they will be clear where you're going. And whether roads are clear or slick, never drive distracted. Always buckle up and put your phone down when driving. We will not compromise MoDOT's level of service regarding winter operations. Our goal is to keep all who travel Missouri roads as safe as possible, no matter what Mother Nature sends our way. Together, we can make a difference.